Hello to the world. Welcome to Art School. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting kind of art. A beautiful snowy evening with amazing cloud. Watch until the end and hit the subscribe button to show us support, fam. This would mean a lot to us. So we'll take an art paper, then brush it up with water-based color. We started brushing with blue and then purple hue of the sky. Then at the bottom, we'll brush with black color. This black color is gonna be the ground. Now we'll draw some trees here. Christmas trees, yes. I think that suits with snow the best. So we put some snow on the trees. Alright, we're done with the trees. Perfect. Now we need to create the snowfall. How can we create snow indoors? Idea. Let's dip the painting brush into white watercolor and sprinkle some color all over the painting. More snow. More snow. Lots of snow. Oh my god! Make sure your trees don't become ice creams. Looking beautiful, right? That's an amazing snowy evening. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you on the next episode on Art School. Thank you.